Honey, can you fix this dripping bathroom sink faucet? In this video, I replaced the seats and springs and cartridge in my 2-handle Delta bathroom sink faucet on the hot water side. I figured out it was the left hot water handle giving me the problems by turning off the water at the bottom of the sink and testing both sides. Once you're ready, make sure you turn off the water at the bottom of the sink. Turn on the valve and make sure no water comes out. I used a star screw to unscrew the faucet handle. The faucet handle should easily come out. I removed a nut fastener with a wrench to get access to the cartridge. I was then able to easily remove the cartridge with pliers. I then used a very thin screwdriver to remove the seats and springs by placing it into the hole and dragging it out. I bought these replacement seats and springs for Delta. You can find a link in the description below. I prepared the seat on top of the spring. Then I placed it in the thin screwdriver to help guide it through back into the hole. Once it was in position, I used my finger to just press it into place. I bought a replacement cartridge for Delta. See link in the description below. These plastic pieces that the replacement comes with is for handling how far your faucet can rotate. Put the cartridge back into place. Screw the fastener back on and tighten it up with a wrench. Put the handle back on, but before you tighten it in place, try turning it on and off to make sure it's rotating in the right spot. If it's working okay, then screw it back in to lock it in. Everything should be ready. Let's turn the water back on. If I turn the water off, then hopefully there should be no dripping. Look at that, no more dripping. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I also posted links in the description below for any parts you may need.